Live good morning again, everyone, and welcome. Welcome sa ating Live Good Opportunity presentation. I'm so excited again to share this opportunity to you kasi I know na ito, pag naintindihan mo, ay makakatulong talaga to sa'yo. Now, if you're a student na gusto mo magkaroon ng extra na income para matulungan mo yung pag-aaral mo, this is for you. If you're an employee na gusto mo magkaroon ng side hustle for preparation for your retirement, yan, this is for you. If you are an OFW na naghahanap ng extra na pagkakakitaan para makaipon ka at eventually makapag-for good ka, then definitely this is for you. Alright? Kaya I'm excited to share this with you. Kaya ngayon, kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo, okay, mas maganda mas set aside mo muna yan. Okay? What I want you to do is mag-focus dito para ma-absorb mo kung ano man po yung isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Because I believe and naniniwala talaga ako na after this presentation, after kong may share to sa inyo, ay magkakaroon ka ng value dito. So, with that, first and foremost, papakilala muna ako sa inyo para may idea kayo kung sino ba yung mag-share sa inyo yung opportunity na to. So, again, welcome. Welcome sa inyo. I'm Coach Martel de Gasdas, 23 years of age and one of the Live Good Pillar or kumbaga, nasa ano pa lang tayo, pillar stage, okay? Di pa nasa pioneer. Nasa first 2 years pa lang tayo ng company. Okay? And I'm also a professional network marketer. So I've been in this business for quite a while na rin. And one of the speakers bureau of our team, DMW. And full-time na po ako dito sa company ito. And I'm the founder of my team, Zilla Empire. So shout out po sa ating grupo dyan. And currently, a platinum rank. But this presentation, it's not all about me. It's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain this year to the help of this opportunity. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. So before we proceed, meron po muna tayong disclaimer, all right, to set the right expectation. This presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. It does not constitute legal, financial, or investment advice. All potential earnings mentioned are illustrative only and you should not be considered typical. Your success in the business will be determined by your own effort and the time you invest. In short, okay, mag-research ka, alright? And ito ay hindi about sa investment na tutubo yung pera mo, okay? Maglalagay ka ng pera, tutubo yung pera mo, hindi po yan ganun. Alright? So, this is a business. That means na meron po tayong effort na ilalan dito at time na i-invest para mas magkaroon tayo ng result. Alright? So, hopefully, na-clear po yan sa inyo. Okay? So before we proceed, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video wherein nagsasalita po dito ay ang aming CEO. Okay? Si Ben Glinsky. So kumbaga ipapakita niya sa inyo on who and what Live Good is. Kumbaga parang bird's eye view ng company ito. So ngayon, again, focus ka dito kasi short video lang to pero nandito na po yung overall, yung lahat ng i-explain ko sa inyo ngayon. So again, let's watch this short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, The days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, see you all at the top. So at least right now, meron na kayong glimpse of idea kung sino at kung ano si Live Good. And of course, dito sa ating presentation, mas ipapaliwanag natin ang sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya again, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright. So welcome everyone. Welcome to Live Good. Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. So currently, I'm recording this or doing this presentation. So around mga 18, right? 18 months pa lang po si Live Good. Okay? So Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So here are some of the reasons, okay? 6 reasons to be exact kung bakit si Live Good. So number 1, we have these amazing products. So, syempre, of course, US-based company. So, no questions asked yan. So, pag quality, quality po talaga. Not just that, okay? Number two, we have incredible prices. Kasi actually, marami namang amazing products out there. Pero ang tanong, kaya mo bang i-sustain? Kaya mo bang i-maintain? Di ba? Kasi mostly, pag amazing products or quality products, mahal. Tama? Pero dito, hindi mo kailangan na bumili ng mamahalin para magkaroon ng quality. Dito, quality na, affordable pa. Alright? So later on, mas malalaman nyo kung bakit. So, number 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. So, hindi ka dito pipilitin bumili ng products every single month para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo or even makuha mo yung commission mo. Wala na po tayong ganun. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, upon purchase of the product within 90 days, pagka sabihin natin nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo or hindi mo nagustuhan yung product, so pwede mo isauli yung lalagyan ng product and no questions asked, ibabalik sa'yo yung pera mo. So, ganun tayo ka-confident when it comes sa quality ng product natin. Okay? And number 6, number 1, literally, number 1 business to join. So if you're looking for a company na pang long term, doable, magaan i-share, okay? Anyone can do it, okay? Then consider this one. Consider Live Good. So here are the track record. Here's the track record actually of Live Good, okay? Hindi pa tayo nag 2 years pero may track record na rin tayo kahit paano. So, pwede kayo mag-visit sa Business for Home. So, nandyan po yung lahat ng mga companies globally, almost 700 companies, right? And tayo din ay na-list po dyan. Okay? So, kumbaga, reputable din po yan na website, Business for Home. So, maganda bakit? Si Live Good po. Okay? This year lang, we are ranked is as a triple A plus opportunity for 2024. Alright? So, ibig sabihin na ano po yan, kumbaga binibigay sa isang kumpanya, okay, na nakikita nilang profitable, doable, alright? And at the same time, okay, makakatulong talaga sa mga members, alright? So, narang po tayo as a triple A plus. Ganun kalupit. Okay? And to tell you, yung triple A plus po ay hindi po lahat ng kumpanya nagkakaroon yan. Okay? So, out of mga around 10% lang, 5 to 10% lang ng mga companies. Okay, ganoon kalupit. Not just that, okay, nung last year, 2023, nagkaroon po ng poll or voting na most trusted direct sales company. And, okay, fortunately, nag-top 1 po tayo. Alright? And, na-feature din po tayo sa direct selling news. Okay, na nag-celebrate po tayo ng 1 million members. In how many months? 13 months. Okay, talagang breaking the record. Why? Ang ibang companies, okay, dekada na. Okay? Dekada na pero hundreds of thousands pa lang yung members. Pero tayo, million na. Okay? Ang matindi nito, bakit? On the first year ng company na Live Good, nag-payout lang naman po tayo ng magkano? Tumataginting na 50 million US dollar. Alright? 50 million US dollar or around 2.8 billion pesos. Sa ibang company, 5 years na or even 10 years na, pinapangarap pa lang po yan na sales. But sa atin, payout pa lang sa first year. No? So, kung ikaw naghahanap ka ng isang company na talagang nag-iisip na pang long term, na syempre, alam ko, magsishare ka sa iba eh. So, ayaw mo masira yung pangalan mo. Gusto mo yung proud ka i-share. Alright? And of course, very generous. Consider Live Good. Alright? And here is our corporate team. So, before joining sa isang company, ito advice ko sa iyo, sa inyo, ayan, may mga first timer dito, titingnan mo muna yung tinatawag na 3Ps. Ayan. 3Ps. First P is profile, company profile, product, and pay plan or plan. Okay? Kasi kailangan talaga na maganda or akma yan sila. Okay? Maganda yung record. Kasi pag hindi maganda, for example, the profile, nako, yung company owner yung papatakbo ng ng negosyo eh. So kung palpak yung company owner, hindi magiging long term ang business. But we are, I mean, I am proud na i-share sa inyo, okay, itong ating corporate team, okay, starting with our CEO, Ben Glinsky with over 20 years na of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. So, itong taong to, as in, masasabi kong the Elon Musk. Alright? The Elon Musk of the direct selling space. Kasi, first time, almost 100 years ng industry, direct selling, pero first time na nagkaroon ng ganitong concept, which later na share ko sa inyo. Okay? Genius as in, no? So, not just that, ang maganito kasi, alam ng may-ari natin paano magpatakbo ng isang successful na kumpanya. Bakit? Nagawa niya na dati eh. Imagine that na 2.8, hindi 2.8, around mga close to a billion na pala. Alright? Close to a billion na yung kanyang na payout na commission in his previous companies. Alright? So, nakreate itong Live Good because he wants to help the 90% who are not earning in the industry. Alright? Very hands-on, maririnig natin siya sa ating Zoom calls, right? And very transparent. Okay? Talagang alam niya, tapos IT guy. Okay? IT guy siya. Hindi basta-bastang masasabotahe yung ano natin, sistema natin kasi alam niya po yung ginagawa niya. Even siya po, actually maraming ibang companies nagpapakonsulta po sa kanya, nagpapagawa ng complan. 'Di ba? Ganun kalupit. Okay? So, magiging confident ka na this will be for long term kasi may experience yung tao eh. Alam niya na magpatakbo ng isang negosyo. Okay? Not just that, andito na rin si Nodder Kazan. Actually, si Nodder po, siya po yung nag-introduce kay Ben sa ganitong industry way back 1990s. So, si Nodder po, siya yung ating Director of Field Development. So, icon na po in world of business. And very hands-on din. Kaya mo ba naman 20 to 30 Zoom calls yung ina-attendan niya para lang matulungan yung mga affiliates. Okay, siya po yung in charge para mag-educate din sa atin, tumulong din sa mga affiliate member. Okay, and we have our Director of Product Development, si Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Ayan. So, the best part dito kasi itong si Doc Ryan ay alam niya po yung nangyayari sa health and wellness space. So, alam niya po yung ikakasira at ikakabuti. Kaya ngayon, he make sure talaga na quality, maganda, organic ang mga products natin dito. Kasi alam niya po kung gaano ka pinagpeperahan ng ibang tao, alright? Yung health natin, okay? So ngayon, di na po 'yan mangyayari kasi dito magiging healthy na tayo in an affordable way because of this person. Okay? And of course, andito rin yung ating Director of Product Education, si Lisa Goodkin. So, siya rin po yung in charge, syempre, sa pag-educate sa atin with regard sa ating product. So, kung may questions kayo, once na maging affiliate member kayo, you can approach. Actually, si Lisa talagang nagre-reply po siya. Okay? So, with that, grabe po yung kumbaga, record ng ating company. Kaya, kung again, naghanap ka ng isang kumpanya na matino, pang long term, na hindi ka mahiya mai-share, magiging proud ka, consider Live Good. Alright? So, ano ba yung goal natin? Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. Okay, so we have over 25 plus na actually ng mga life-changing products. Of course, made in the USA, and highest quality products certified by the GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and USDA. So again, itong details na organic. Okay? Organic ang ating mga products. Lab tested for purity and potency. And of course, kung iniisip mo, ayan, kung legal ba to or hindi, of course, we are legit. Okay? So, no need to ask. Okay? Andito na po yung certifications natin. Nakaregistered po tayo sa Florida. Alright? So, our products are also, ayan, marami po tayong mga certifications na nagpapatunay lang na organic at maganda, walang insecticide, pesticide, mga heavy metals na meron to. Okay? Na pwede makasira sa atin. Talagang 100% again, organic. Okay? And we have wellness for all. So, syempre, iba-iba naman tayo pangangailangan. So, kumbaga, every month, alright, actually, nagdadagdag po yung ating company ng mga products na mag-cater po sa kung ano man yung kailangan natin sa ating health. Alright, so paano ba mag-order ng products? You can order as a consumer or member. Consumer pay retail low prices while members pay much lower prices. So, paano nangyari yun? I-share natin mamaya. So, ito po yung comparison ng member and retail price. Eh, maganda ito. Bakit? Members save up to 75% compared to products in other companies. So, for example po, yung ating multivitamins, complete multivitamins po natin in other companies, 60 capsules. Magkano nila binibenta? Around 1,000, 1,500. Pero sa atin, alam nyo magkano lang? Okay? Tumataginting. Tumataginting na almost 600 pesos lang. Ganun kalupit, 60 capsules na. Alright? And of course, andito din yung ibang mga products natin, our organic coffee, ayan, which is nakakatulong din talaga siya sa pag-manage ng weight natin, tapos sa mind din natin, pag-condition. Ayan, kung hirap ka matulog, ganito yun po yung ating magnesium, which is responsible po ng over 300 plus chemical reaction sa katawan natin. Okay? Para tayo mag-function well. Okay? And CBD oil for pets, ayan, D3K2 for our bones, ayan, for our health. So, and be discussing further more about the products. You can check out our website. Pero, ang mga ito, bakit? Again, quality products natin. We have certifications. Third-party lab tested tayo. Nasa website natin. And maganda, bakit? Wholesale ang prices natin dito. Okay? O, for example na lang, itong comparison natin, our products no, to other companies. Okay? 6 essential oils, sa other companies, binibenta nila to around 209 to 252. USD. Sa atin, alam nyo, magkano lang? 14.95. Okay? O, kaya na mag-compute. Di ba? Itong ating greens. O, sa ibang company, ito uso talaga to, especially dito sa atin sa Pinas. Mga greens na mga tinitimpla, iniinom. Okay? Alam nyo ba sa ibang company, good for 30 days, binibenta nila yan around 70 to 100 USD. Sa atin, alam nyo, magkano lang? 18 US dollar. 18. Good for 30 days. Grabe, no? Or almost 1,000 pesos. Nakakanister pa. Ganun kalupit. O, collagen natin. Sa iba, binibenta around 70 to 80 USD. Sa atin, 27.95. Yan, good for the hair, nail, skin. Ayan. And itong creatine plus HMB sa mga nag-workout. Sa iba, binibenta yan around 49 to 65 USD. Sa atin, 19.95 lang. Diba? Grabe, no? So, talagang masabi talaga namin ito pag nakita mo. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. You just can't. No? Bakit? Grabe yung value na ino-offer ng company na to eh. 'Di ba? So kung ikaw, kung wise ka, syempre dun ka na sa quality na affordable pa kaysa naman dun sa iba na of course quality din naman kaso mahal. Right? Sobrang expensive. Tama? And itong sobrang mas kumbaga na-excite din ako and talagang na-appreciate ko yung company to. Why? Live Good is available in over, to be exact 220 countries worldwide. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, kahit saang bansa, matatanggap natin yung products, makukuha natin yung commission, magagawa natin yung business. Ganun katindi. And I was mind blown, alright? Kung ikaw, kung meron dito mga networker, no? 'Di ba? Kasi mostly nakikita natin, especially kung nandito lang mga local companies, well, we're not against that. Kumbaga, kahit naman actually sa ibang bansa yung pag-expand nila, one country, two, three, five countries at a time. Pero sa atin, pag launch global ng company, 220 agad. Sabi ko, grabe, may ganito pala na ganitong klaseng business. Alam niyo yun? So, ibig sabihin, kung wais ka, especially if you're thinking long term, pupunta ka dun talaga sa yung wide yung market. Alright? Kasi ito, pag global tayo, ibig sabihin, ready tayo globally. That means na literally, wala tayong saturation. Alright? Literally, walang saturation. Hindi tayo masasaturate. Okay? Ganun kaganda. And yung result, right? Yung result and yung pwedeng, kumbaga, pwede mong kitain, alright? Pwedeng mangyari sa'yo, okay? Is that matindi, okay? Kumbaga, ibang level. Okay? Ganun kalupit. Di ba? So, if you're thinking long term, kung naghanap ka isang long term na kumpanya na pwedeng gawin kahit saan sa mundo, again, consider Live Good. Okay, so here are some of our partners worldwide. We have in USA, Vietnam, South Africa, Thailand, of course here in the Philippines, in Italy, yan in China, India, and many more. All right? Yan. So, ano ba yung business model ng company to? Bakit na iba to sa iba? Alright? Bakit angat si Live Good sa iba? Okay? Simple lang. Simple lang natin, no? Subscription. So, alam ko, ito, narinig mo na to. And, baka nga, okay? Baka nga, marami ka nang sinusubscribe. Alright? Marami ka nang sinusubscribe, pero, yung company na nagbe-benefit sa'yo. May benefits ka nakukuha, pero, yung kumikita, sila lang. Okay? Ano ba yung subscription na yan? Subscription business model are based on the idea of selling a product or service to receive a monthly or yearly recurring subscription revenue. Alright, so here are the some of the popular club membership companies like Amazon, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, and Rocket Car Wash. So yung mga companies na yan, yung mga subscribers or members, nagbabayad dyan monthly to enjoy the benefits. Unlimited movies, free shipping, unli car wash, right? And discount of the products, okay? And many more, right? Oh, so ito kung familiar tayo, nababayad ka ng tubig mo, kuryente, even the internet, naghuhulog ka ng SSS, GSIS, for the future may pension. Okay? Ang tawag na rin dyan, actually subscription na rin, even club membership. Okay? Kasi na-enjoy mo yung benefits na ino-offer nila. Alright? So, about subscription. So, here are some of the companies, okay, na maganda. May mga products and service, SNR, Landers, Goldshim, Fitness First, Amazon, and Costco. So, yung mga tao dyan nagbabayad monthly or yearly. Pero, alam mo ba, sampulan natin itong Netflix. Okay? There are around 260 million subscribers worldwide. Umabot yung revenue na last year ng around 33 billion. And ito matindi, magkano yung net profit niya? Umabot lang naman po ng 5.4 billion US dollar. Alright? Ikaw na mag-compute kung magkano yun in peso. Grabe no, ganun kalaking kinikita ni Netflix. Right? O, itong Costco, 127 plus million members. Okay? 4.5 billion dollars in revenue membership fee last year. Though these companies offer amazing products and services, so no questions naman yan, they don't have what LiveGood has, a membership that pays. Ayan. So, paano ba yan? So, LiveGood versus other companies. So, again, yung mga companies na na-mention ko kanina, of course, they all have great products and even services. Pero ito yung meron sa atin na wala sa kanila. Income. Why? Here in LiveGood, you can be a consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, or even shareholder. Wow! Paano ba yan? Di ba? O kung ikaw first timer ka, narinig mong pwede palang ganun. Yan, dati ka na nagsusubscribe, nagbabayad ka monthly. Benefits lang ka pa lang yumayaman. Why not ngayon? Kumita ka naman. Ikaw naman yung kumita. Paano? Yan. So dito na tayo sa exciting part. Tatanungin muna kita, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Yan, ulitin ko ha. Would you like to earn $2,000 or more per month? And for those interested in earning with LiveGood, say for the second part of the presentation. So, dito, paano ba tayo maging member or affiliate? Okay, we have two options like any other subscription companies. Okay, may monthly. Number one, meron tayong monthly dito. Mayroong one-time affiliate fee na $40. Again, one time yan. Sa buong buhay natin, one time lang tayo magbabayad niyan. And monthly membership fee na 9.95. So, total around 49.95 sa first month natin. Or around 2,900. Okay, approximately. Depende sa palitan. And our succeeding months, around 9.95 na lang babayaran natin. Yun yung ay para ma-maintain natin ang ating membership. Or around approximately 580 pesos. Right? And option number 2, again, meron tayong monthly. And option number 2 is meron din tayong yearly. One-time affiliate fee na $40 plus yearly membership fee na 99.95. So, around 139.95. So, magkano yun in pesos? Around 8,120 pesos approximately. And maganda dito sa yearly kasi of course less naiisipin mo buwan-buwan. The same time meron kang discount, right? Instead na 12 months yung binayaran mo, 10 months lang kasi yung 2 months binigay ng company sa iyo for free. Okay? Or in short, you save $20. Okay? So, ano ba yung benefits if you become a LiveGood member and affiliate? So, here you can access to all to membership club. So, lahat ng mga products natin and even soon mga services, you can access all of that. High quality but at the same time very affordable. Digital marketing products. So, lahat po yan ng mga system ng company, the websites, the soon mga funnels, right? And yung co-op, yan, lalabas ng company, ayan, i-enjoy po natin yan. Okay? So, dito, you will not just get, not just one, not just two, three, you will get actually 7. Yes, you heard it right. 7. And madadagdagan pa yan soon, 7 replicated websites. Okay? So, we also have free online training via Zoom, lifetime support, and you can save up to 75% on our products. And we also have 8 ways to earn. So here are the advantage once you become a member and affiliate. So number 1, wala tayong ditong product package. Okay? Kasi hindi po ito traditional na direct selling company. Okay, na dito, pag sali mo, may package ka kaagad na it's either i-take mo or ibenta mo. Wala pong ganun yan. Okay? Kasi yung mga yan, mostly, no? Number two, overpriced yung products. But dito, wala na pong overpricing. Alright? Tinanggal na po natin yan. Dito kay Live Good, wala sa vocabulary po yung overpriced. Okay? And number three, wala na rin po ang left and right pairing. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-build ng left or even right. Okay? Para lang kumita. Wala na yan. And of course, monthly maintenance on your level, tinanggal na rin po yan. Okay? Kasi yung iba, kailangan ma-maintenance para makuha yung commission and ma-hit yung rank. Wala na rin. And number five, fifth pair incentive. Income muna. Okay? Earnings mo na, ginawa pang points. Di ba? Pang travel, pang gadget, or what. So, dito wala na rin yan. Okay? Tapos 6, ito na experience namin, limit of encoding. Okay? So, kumbaga, limitado ka lang, ibig sabihin, limit lang din yung income mo. Okay? Dito, mag-encode ka ng mag-encode hanggat sa gusto mo. Number 7, flash out, wala na rin yan. Okay? Akalain mo yung inipon mo, okay? 6 or even 7 figures na potential na kikitain pagka nag-pair. Yan, sa mga binary. Yan, pagka nagkaroon lang ng kumbaga pagkakamali, right? Sumobra sa encode, nako, tanggal lahat 'yan. Bye-bye, no? So yun yung masaklap. In-experience actually namin. Ayan. And number 8, unexplained deduction. So very transparent po tayo. Nasa back office natin. Number 9, of course, wala na tayong multiple accounts. Tapos na po 'yan. All right? Kasi we are a club membership or subscription. One account is enough. Okay, one account is enough. And number 10, ito sobrang na-enjoy ko rin. Na-enjoy namin lahat actually. Ayan, wala na ring delayed payout. Kasi kami dati actually, almost 4 years kami sa previous company. Pero grabe, talagang delay. Sobrang delay po talaga. Pero dito as in, hindi man on time, advance binibigay ang komisyon. Ganun kalupit. Okay? And dito, here are some of the websites that you will get or you will have, okay, once you start here. So we have our company site. Okay, so of course nandiyan yung all about the company owners, and everything. Okay, and Powerline landing page, kumbaga yung kanina napanood yung video na short na nagsasalita ang ating CEO, magkakaroon ka rin po niyan, English and Spanish. O, di ba? And retail site dito, e-com plus dropshipping ready na tayo. Ibig sabihin, in 220 countries, i-share mo lang yung link mo. Pag mag-order sila, company na bahala mag-ship, mag-pack, mangolekta ng bayad, ikaw, tanggap na lang ng komisyon. And we have our two product site, the reds and greens na product site, and we also have Live Good Cleaning site. Ito, matindi. Why? First time in the industry. First time in the industry, ito na incorporate natin dito sa Live Good na meron tayong prescribed, FDA approved na mga medicine. Yes, you heard it right. Prescription medications for weight loss. Ang matindi, high quality, but okay, very affordable. Okay? Meron kang malaking discount. Alright? Ayan. So, we also have free trainings online, and ngayon, ito na tayo sa exciting part. Yan, the 8 ways to earn. So, we have weekly fast start, retail commissions, matching, matrix, influencer, customer acquisition, diamond, and crown diamond bonus pool. Right? Pero mag-focus lang po tayo dito sa 5. Yung iba po, pahapyawan ko lang para meron kayong idea. Right? So, the compensation plan structure will be powered by these two powerful na way of how we structure our earnings here, the unilevel and force matrix. So, number 1, we have quick money. So, natin mabilis, we have this fast start or in layman's term, direct referral. Bakit ito? Bakit? Kasi sa 49.95 mo na binayad, pag nakapag-refer ka, magkano sa'yo? $25. Ngayon, ito lang talaga yung nakita ko actually ng company, nagbigay ng kalahati. Grabe, no? Kalahati sa kung kinuha mo yung monthly na membership plus yung affiliate fee na for number 95, kalahati niyan binibigay sa'yo. Imagine mo, makapag-refer ka lang ng 4, meron ka ng $100. Alright? Na pwede mong gamitin din pang upgrade into annual or yearly. Ganon kalupit. Okay? So dito, okay, infinite wide, ibig sabihin unlimited yung pwede mong i-refer. Tapos you can earn up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Kasi may ranking tayo dito. Okay? So, baka maisip mo na baka mahirap yan mag-refer, mag-invite. Right? Actually, kung inisip mo mahirap, actually, hindi. Bakit? Unang-una magaan. kayang-kaya pang masa yung yung capital para makapag-start dito. O, tingnan mo na lang yung top 10 natin. Meron na pag-refer to 5 plus, 1, 2, 1, 1, 600 plus, 500 plus. Ibig sabihin, kung nagawa nila, kayang-kaya talaga. Oh, gano'n kalupit. So, ano ba yung natin, rank qualification? So, hindi ko na po masyadong explain ng detailed about this one. Meron naman tayong separate trainings, pero para may idea kayo, okay, ayan, i-discuss natin. So, ang bronze, at least dalawa lang na personal enroll. So, minimum kinikita ng bronze around 50 to 5,000 plus pesos. So, yung silver naman, at least 20 na total team. Okay? At least dito ang average na kinikitang silver, mga around 5,600 to 16,800 pesos. Yung gold naman, at least 100 na total team. Yung kinikita ng gold na average around 28 to 224 pesos. 24,000 pesos. Alright? Ayan. And ito naman ang platinum, must have at least 500, okay? 500. So meron tong iba pang qualification, pero I won't be again discussing further kasi meron tayong separate trainings about this one. So dito naman sa platinum, meron kang dito potential, alright? Or average na kinikita ng platinum around 56 to 400,000 plus pesos. Okay? And we also have our diamond. Ayan. At least minimum of 2,500 total team. Kinikita ng diamond dito, estimated, umabot ng 336 to 2.2 M pesos every month. Alright? Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Meron tayong crown diamond. Ayan. Sa crown diamond must have at least to 50,000. Okay? 50,000 na total team. Okay? Ang matindi nito, bakit ang crown diamond is averaging. Okay? Nag-average siya po. Hindi pa tayo nag 2 years, pero may average na kumikita ng around 2.8 to 4.4 million pesos. Ganon katindi. Okay? So, we have retirement money. So, bakit namin sinabing retirement? Okay? Kasi ito, mas ma-appreciate mo to in long term. So, tawag namin dyan is matrix commissions. So, matrix commissions, so lahat po tayo nalalagay po sa isang matrix. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ikaw po yung nasa taas, tapos meron ka pong frontline na dalawa, ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Alright? Ang maganda kasi bakit? Kahit wala ka pang refer, may chance na kumita. Pero walang garantiyan kung kailan. Okay? So, may chance ka pa rin na kumita. Ayan. And pag nag-rank up ka, syempre, mas dumodoble yung potential na pwede mong kitain. Kung unrank ka, at least 1 or 0 referrals, 118 plus, 18,000 plus. Bronze, silver, 200,000 plus. Pagka gold and platinum, 400,000 plus. At pag diamond, almost 7 figures. Alright? So, ayan po. So, paano ba nag-work yung matrix? So, makikita nyo, number of people, 2. Pag meron ka lang dalawang frontline, 0.50 cents kikitain mo. Okay? Pag may apat ka na, $1, magkano yan? Around 56 pesos. Okay? So, ngayon, ang nangyari yung structure, parang ganito, ikaw, tapos ilalagay yung referral mo or referral ng nasa taas mo, kung meron mang, tawag dyan is spillover. Okay? Yan, ikaw, ilalagay yung mga referral mo sa left and right. Tapos, pag naka-refer din sila, left muna din nila. Tapos right. Left, right po yung paglagay para equal po lahat. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, ito naman yung mas nakaka-excite, the wealthy money. Ayan, wealthy money, why? Because ito po yung may pinakamalaki among all the meron tayo dito sa compensation plan, ito yung may pinakamalaking pwedeng kitain mo. Alright? So, matching bonus is a monthly. Like yung kanina actually, yung matrix. Tapos itong matching is monthly to binibigay on our third month. Okay? So, 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Alright? Itong mas talagang sobrang na mind blown ako na pwede palang ganun. 50% meron ka. Kasi dati, natulungan ko actually in our previous venture, previous company, natulungan ko po yung one of my directs na kumita ng actually 7 figures. Pero alam nyo ba, wala pa akong kalahati doon. Kampalin lang din yung kumita. Of course, kumita din naman tayo, pero wala akong 50%. Okay? So, dito, okay, dito, tutulungan mo lang yung team mo, especially your referrals na kumita. Kasi pag kumita sila, the higher the income na kikitain nila, of course, the bigger din na kikitain mo from matching. Alright? For example, ikaw yan. Okay? Ayan, na-refer mo si Mateo. Ngayon, si Mateo, nakapag-build ng team of subscribers under him, kumita siya ng 10,000. Okay? Ngayon, magkano sa'yo? 5,000. Na-refer mo si Marie, nagkumita ng 5,000 sa matrix niya. Ayan, kumita siya ng 2,500. Si Lucy naman, 15,000. Kikita ka ng 7,500. Si Arthur, 1K. 500 sa'yo. Si Robert naman, 20K. O, 10,000 sa'yo. Okay, the more directs you have, the more you earn 50% from your matching bonus. Ang matindi dito, bakit? Infinite wide. Right? Ito example lang po, no, kung total mo yung lahat, 25,500. What if nagte 10,000 sila lahat or more? What if hindi lang 5 yung referrals mo? What if 10, 20, 50, 100? Ngayon infinite yan eh. Okay? Marami kang ma-match at the same time, maganda bakit? Okay? Marami din tayong matutulungan na kumita ng malaki. So, ibig sabihin, mas malaking kikitain natin. Alright, so ito po yung sample earnings natin. Actually, sa akin po to, okay, na earnings. So, sample ko po kayo, no? For example, ito po yan. Nakita nyo yung name, type, tapos matrix. Okay? So, alam nyo ba, na-refer ko si Coach Ryan, nauna po siya mag-diamond sa akin. So, again guys, this is not pauna-unahan. Bonus lang kung nauna ka. Pero, magdedepende yung result natin sa, sa effort na gagawin natin. Why? Nauna po si Coach Ryan mag-diamond sa akin eh. So, walang kaso yun. Kasi bakit? Mas kikita siya ng malaki. Favor sa akin yun. Kasi bakit? Kumita siya ng 52,000 sa matrix niya. Magkano sa akin? 26,000 plus. Yung mama ko, kumita lang naman ng 36,000 plus. Magkano sa akin? 18,000. Si Coach Jana, Dave Montezon, kumita siya ng 17,000. Magkano sa akin? Kalahati, 8,000 plus. Yung kapatid ko, matindi, kumita ng 40,000. Meron pa akong 10%, 4,000 plus. Kasi dito, sasabihin ko sa iyo guys, endless po yung matching. Hindi lang po sa personal referral kakikita, kundi sa entire team niya. Alright? Nadinig mo ba ako? Hindi lang sa referral niya, kundi sa buong grupo niya. Yes, you heard it right. Okay? Pwede kang kumita ng 10%, 5%, 3%. Okay? Depending on your rank. Ganun katindi. Okay? Kaya mind-blowing po talaga. Okay? And ngayon, pag nakapag-start ka dito, we encourage, pag siseryosohin mo ha, pag seryoso ka, alright? Pagtatrabahoin mo to, I suggest, isali mo family mo. Kahit dalawa lang, hindi naman lahat eh. Kasi ako personally, actually sinali actually ng mama ko, yung mama ko yung nagpasali sa family members namin lahat, yung papa ko, mga kapatid ko. So, 6 po kami actually. Okay? Pero dito, di mo kailangan na 6 agad eh. Kahit dalawa. Okay? Kasi darating yung time na pwede kang kumita nito, potential. Alright? Na 4,095 pag mapun yung matrix mo at ng family mo. So, yung dalawang family members mo, is that magkakaroon din sila ng kanilang earnings sa matrix, 2,000 plus US dollar. Alright? Tapos, syempre, ima-match din sa'yo, 50%, kasi referral mo yung dalang family mo eh. Okay? So, all in all, yung pwede yung kita in the future. It can take time. Again, it can take time. Pero, pwede na ba 10,000 plus US dollar or half million monthly income? Pwede na? Kasi bakit? Month after month na yan eh. Month after month after month after month after month. Grabe, no? Ganun kalupit. Kahit pa umabot pa actually yan ng 5, even 10 years, naku, sulit yan, guys. Bakit? May iba nga, 40 years. 40 years na sa ginagawa nila. Baka ikaw ngayon, nakikinig ka. Ilang taon ka na dyan, pero ganun pa rin yung pwedeng, yung or yung sahod mo. 'Di ba? So, pwede mo tong idagdag. Okay? We're not saying na, kumbaga, i-full time mo to. No. Okay? Pwede mo tong idagdag kasi pwede tong gawin part-time. Okay? And eventually, pagka natapatan na o nahigitan na yung sahod mo dyan, sa ginagawa mo, yeah, well, you can do this full time. Alright? Like yung iba nating mga partners na actually mga FW and under sa team namin na nag-for good po talaga. Nag-for good. Okay? And pwede naman kung yun kumita ka ng maganda, how much more pa pag nagre-refer ka? Let's say may 20 referrals ka. Hindi naman to actually hindi necessarily ng tamad. Let's say na parang busy lang. Okay? So, let's say na napuno yung matrix nila in the future. So, kumita sila ng 2,000 plus US dollar. Magmamatch sa'yo 1,000 plus US dollar. So, all in all, pwede mo kitain sa 20 referrals as 20,000 plus US dollar. Or magkano? That is 1.1 million pesos month after month after month after month after month. Imagine mo kahit simpleng nanay kaya gawin to. Ikaw pa kaya? Alright? So, ito po yung sample earnings ng mga ano natin, actually ng isa sa mga Live Good affiliate natin. So, nung gold siya, okay? Alam nyo ba na kumita lang naman po siya ng around 17,000. So, okay na rin, 17,000, no? Ayan, pero ito matindi bakit nung nag ano siya, hit siya ng next rank niya which is the platinum, okay? Nagkaroon po ng that time po, peak niya na kinita. Alam niyo magkano? Umabot po ng 200,000 plus pesos. Pwede na pang stack. Wala pa yung may ano kanina. I mean, wala pa yung weekly fast start. Ito, matrix and matching. Ganun kalupit. Okay? But again, our results here may vary depending sa again sa time, effort, at seriousness na ilalaan natin dito. Pero pwede at posible. Alright? Ayan. So, ito naman retail commissions is a 50% bonus of the difference between members price and retail price. For example, yung product natin, it costs around, sabi natin, $10. May pinatong yung company na $4. Okay? So, ngayon, yung patong na yung $4, pag nakabenta ka ng product na yun, maghahati kayo ng company. $2 sa'yo, $2 sa company. Ay mga ganun, kasi infinite wide. So, pag nag-rank up pa tayo, pag nakakapagbenta yung under sa atin, so, may mga certain percentage din po tayo. Okay? Tapos, influencer bonuses, pagka may influence ka, okay? Pwede mo gamitin yan. Pag mahit mo lang yung quota nito, okay? Mahit mo yung quota na to, ayan, pwede ibigay sa'yo 100%. Di ba kanina yung $4, to sa'yo to sa company. Yan, pag nahit mo, oh, what will happen? Okay? 100% ibibigay sa'yo. Yung $4 na patong, ibibigay sa'yo ng buo. Alright? Ganun kalupit. So, ito naman, piece of the pie money, Diamond Bonus Full. So, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales sa buong mundo, sa buong Live Good, will be divided equally among all diamonds. So, let's say meron pong monthly sales na 15M times 2%, so that is around 300,000 USD. Divide, let's say meron palang 60 diamonds. Actually, more than that na yung diamond. So, lahat ng diamond magkakaroon ng 5,000 plus US dollar. Alright, 5,000 plus US dollar. Ganun kalupit. And here is an sample of earnings of a diamond rank. Kung bakit mas nakaka-excite mag-hit ng rank up at mag-diamond. Kasi bakit? Grabe po. Life-changing po yung pwedeng mangyari. Okay? So, for example, ito. Kaya na sabi ko kanina, si Coach Ryan, nauna po siyang actually, diamond po sa akin. Okay? So, imagine mo, 6 months time niya. I mean, hindi 6 months, 3 months. Okay? 3 months, I mean. Sa 3 months time niya, na talagang straight na ginawa niya to, okay? Na nung talagang nakita yung diamond, 3 months time, kumita lang naman po siya ng tumataginting na 16,535 plus US dollar or almost 7 figures. Pwede or pwedeng-pwede? 'Di ba? Of course, pwedeng-pwede. Matindi, 'di ba? Gano'n kalupit. Okay? Imagine mo, yung 6 months ko na kinita, actually 3 months na niya lang kinita dito. Gano'n kalupit, 'di ba? Oh, kaya dito walang pauna-unahan. Depende sa trabaho kasi bakit? Nauna siya mag-diamond sa akin, eh, 'di ba? Oh, mas malaking kinita niya sa akin. Gano'n kalupit. Alright? And we also have rich and famous money, the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. So, may mas higher pa, di pa nakontento yung company, nagbigay pa ng ng another na earnings. Ayan, which is itong Crown Diamond. So, 0.5% naman kanina, ngayon, okay, yung ibibigay, well, kanina 2%, di ba? Okay? So, dito naman is 0.5%. So, dito, 15M pa rin US dollar times 0.5%. So, 75. Let's say, dalawa pala yung Crown Diamond. So, lahat ng Crown Diamond maghahati-hati po ng 37.5. Alright? So, ito po yung sample earnings ng isa sa mga Crown Diamond. Yan si Tim Miller. Galing sa US. First Crown Diamond actually. Okay? Kumita lang naman po siya ng 7-figure US dollar in just 13 months. And dumating din yung time, hindi pa tayo nag 2 years. Alright? Actually, hindi pa nga ito tama, hindi pa nag 1 year actually yung company. Isang buwan, kinita niya po, tumataginting na almost 4.5 million pesos. 'Di ba? Alam niyo ba sa ibang company ano na 'yan, kumbaga 5-10 years na na result. Dito 'no, hindi pa nag 1 year, may gano'ng kita na. How much more pa in the following years? Grabe 'no? Talagang life-changing, life-changing. Okay? And we also have customer acquisition bonuses. Okay, so when your direct members place their first product order, meron kang 10%. Okay, so infinite wide then up to 10 levels deep. Okay, so here are the people na kumita na rin, na bago na rin yung buhay actually. Yung iba dito, hindi na po updated yung kanilang current or lifetime earnings. Pero the bottom line is, ano, may result. Okay, talagang pag ginawa mo to, sineryoso mo, kikita talaga. Alright? And as of now, I'm doing this presentation, meron po tayong tumataginting na 1.5 plus million paid members. Indeed, we are the fastest growing direct selling company in the industry for 2024. Alright? And to tell you, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. Yung 1.5, tip of the iceberg pa lang. Okay? And yung first 5 million subscribers, again, tip of the iceberg pa lang. Yan. Kasi, we visualize this one na magkakaroon tayo ng 20 to 30 plus million subscribers na magjo-join in 10 to 20 years. And our projection, alam nyo, before the year ends, pwede magkaroon ng 3 to 5 million subscribers again before the year ends. So, ngayon, if naghahanap ka talaga ng opportunity, nagpe-pray ka kay Lord ng opportunity, well, baka ito na. Ginamit lang yung tao nag-invite sa'yo na makapakinig dito para maintindihan mo na ito yung pwedeng gawin mo, na pwedeng maging vehicle mo, makuha yung goal mo. Alright? So, I'm not saying this one para convince ka kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin mag-convince sa sarili mo. Okay? So, wag ka manghinayang. Diba? Kung inisip mong wala ka na, okay lang. Kasi pang mawawala sa'yo kung wala ka na. Try ka ulit. Kasi again, hindi mo malalaman isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan. You just have to try. Magkano lang naman? Less than 3,000? Less than 8,000? 1,000 plus? Yan. Para makapag-start monthly or yearly. Diba? Kung sumugal ka nga sa iba na 50,000, even 6 figures nung, yun mo na, capital para mag-start, dito pa kayo magkano lang, 'di ba? So, sumabay ka, alright? Pero again, hindi po yan sa pamimilit kasi at the end of the day, your decision will matter, alright? Pero sayang. Dalawa yung pwede mo sabihin dito in the future, buti na lang or sayang. Saan ka doon? Okay, I prefer buti na lang. Okay, buti na lang ginawa ko to. Nagkaroon ka resulta or sayang? Sayang, di ko ginawa to. Yung resulta nila, kinikita nila, sana resulta kinikita ko na rin. Alright? So, if you join, again, if you join, we welcome you. But if you don't want to, we're still friends. Pero again, sayang kung hindi mo sisimulan. Okay? Ayan, kasi we believe that this plane of opportunity will surely fly. We envision this as the future Amazon of direct selling space. Alright? So, here are some of the, actually, top 5, di pala some, top 5 reasons why you should join. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. Okay? So, that means na kahit sinabi ko, nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. So, very crucial po yan. Okay, number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. So, na-discuss ko na kanina. And many more pa po. Marami pang darating na mga products natin. Marketing system, tools, and trainings. Actually, almost everything is provided na eh. Di ba? Ang gagawin mo lang mag-take action. Number 4, a simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. And of course, very generous. Akalain mo ba naman, 50 million US dollar in 1 year? Hindi natakot, alam mo na magbigay yung company. Ang tindi, no? Di ba? Talagang very generous. And number 5, successful, fun, and winning team. Alright? So, ang tanong, are you ABUC? You want to become an affiliate member? Do you want to become a member or retail customer? Yan. So, I'll leave you with this one verse. Sabi sa Jeremiah 29:11. And the plans I have for you, sabi ni Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. So, panghawakan niyo po yan. Kasi I believe na wala pong aksidente sa mundo. Walang aksidente sa mundo. May reason po yan. Kung bakit ka nandito, o bakit tinapos mo to, natapos ka hanggang sa dulo, kasi may nakita ka dito. Ngayon, gawin mo na agad. Huwag mo na patagalin. Gawin mo na agad. Alright? Take action. Okay? To start and to do this right. Okay? So, naniniwala ka may plano si Lord sa'yo? Well, baka ito na. Ito na ang binigay niyang sign sa'yo para gawin mo to, magkaroon ka ng magandang future. Alright? So, get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa pakikinig, sa pag-tune in until the end of my presentation. So hopefully that you found value sa pakikinig sa akin and tulungan din kita na makapag-decide na syempre gawin itong business ni Live Good. So again, maraming salamat. God bless and see you all at the top.